Introducing Talking to Your Data with Databricks Genie, an AI-powered fraud investigation use case by Avanade, activated by Databricks multi-agents frameworks. A high-priority customer escalation just came in. A potential fraud event is impacting multiple accounts, and regulators may need notification within hours. John, the operations lead at a global bank, needs answers fast. But right now he's pivoting between the fraud case management system, pulling customer history from the servicing platform, querying the transaction database for suspicious patterns, and cross-referencing compliance documentation, all under a ticking regulatory clock. John's situation isn't unique. Every industry has its version of critical data trapped across disconnected systems, slowing down the people who need answers most. The difference now is that Avanade's Databricks Genie can cut through that complexity. Let's see exactly how. This is what it looks like for John. He opens Avanade's Databricks Genie and just asks a question the same way he'd ask a colleague. What customer feedback are you getting from the call centers, and do we have outages? For fraud operations and compliance leaders like John, the supervisor agent is what makes this seamless. When John asks a question, the supervisor agent dynamically coordinates across banking intelligence sources, transaction data, fraud analytics, compliance documentation, customer conversations, routing each piece to the right specialized agent. John doesn't need to know where the data lives, he just asks. Genie orchestrates the answer. What you're seeing is the shift from fragmented investigations across 5 different platforms to trusted, actionable decisions in seconds. Genie turned what was a multi-hour scramble into a coordinated, real-time response. That's the outcome for banking operations. When a fraud event breaks or a compliance trigger fires, banking executives don't have hours to manually assemble reports across disconnected systems. They need trusted answers immediately. Now, if you want to understand the architecture that makes that speed possible, how specialized AI agents orchestrate across your enterprise data, workflows, and risk systems, our team is ready to walk you through the platform and our solution. Databricks is the data platform partner in the data and AI space. End-to-end data and AI platform, unifying data engineering, analytics, applications, and AI on a single multi-cloud foundation. An integrated architecture built on open standards like Delta Lake and Iceberg with AI embedded throughout the platform. The Databricks agents will include these capabilities. Instead of searching system by system, Databricks Genie coordinates specialized AI agents to pull together transaction history, identify suspicious activity patterns, summarize customer impact, and recommend next steps in real time. This governance intelligence layer unifies fraud operations guidance, customer servicing conversations, and transaction analytics, enabling faster regulatory response in real-time customer impact analysis. Instead of searching system by system, Databricks Genie coordinates specialized AI agents to pull together transaction history, identify suspicious activity patterns, summarize customer impact, and recommend next steps in real time. Together, these 3 schemas let the system handle operational knowledge lookup, transcript-based reasoning, and structured reporting within the same catalog. Now that we've seen how the data is organized, let's look at the demo questions and how each agent is configured to respond. These are representative examples of the questions users might ask. Of course, they can go beyond the set, but these examples help illustrate the flow. During a fraud or compliance event, time matters. Banking executives need trusted answers in seconds, not hours spent manually stitching together reports, and those answers must align with the analytics in the Databricks app. With that in mind, let's review the agent test results and confirm that executives would see the same answers in the Databricks app. The results look good. The numbers in the test and the Databricks app are spot on. The PS call count results match, and the ranking is correct. That's structured analytics working as intended. Next, we'll ask a question that requires operational guidance. In this case, the supervisor agent orchestrates the request to the right specialized agent, bringing context and recommendations together so executives get actionable answers. The Databricks supervisor agent is the intelligent core of the chat experience, designed to help banking leaders navigate complex, time-sensitive questions in real time. In this banking scenario, it enables fraud operations and compliance leaders to get trusted answers quickly by interpreting each question, coordinating the right banking intelligence sources, and returning a single grounded response through a simple chat interface. When a question is asked, the supervisor agent identifies the intent and dynamically routes the request across the appropriate specialized agents, drawing on data and knowledge governed through Unity Catalog. It then brings those inputs together into a clear, context-aware response so leaders can assess impact, understand risk, and act quickly with confidence. This is what makes the experience powerful for banking leaders. They do not need to understand where the data lives or how it is organized behind the scenes. They simply ask the question, and the Databricks multi-agent system delivers grounded, actionable intelligence when time matters most. With Avanade and Databricks, complex banking intelligence, including fraud risk and compliance insights, becomes faster to access, easier to trust, and ready to support better decisions in critical moments.